How to change language on Zangi app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Zangi app. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Zangi private messenger app on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here now, you will need to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings page. Now here, you will need to scroll to find Zangi Languages option. Once you find it, simply tap on it to view the available language on Zangi. From here now, you will need to select the language you prefer. Scroll to find the one and then tap on it. You will be able to see the blue tick mark at the right side of the selected language here. After that, you can simply tap on the back option of your device and there you'll be able to see the changes. So by following these steps, you should be able to change the language on your Zangi app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.